is working correctly there. Okay, 1 2. Okay, my sound check fine. Just confirm in the chat box if the sound is also okay on your side. Guys, we are here talking about the Richchild terminal. I'm gonna demonstrate to you how it works and how you can supposedly use it to actually make the most out of the markets. So I'm doing this on a Sunday. The markets are closed, but I'm going to show you on the BTC markets. The Bitcoin markets are always open 24/7. So we're gonna test it on BTC, but you can however use it on all other types of instruments. Okay, so guys, this instrument or this software was made for scalpers. If you're a scalper, then this thing is the right tool for you. The reason why I made this thing was I myself has got a trading style where I needed to, do things very fast, and I wondered if I could get a tool that I can just use to do one-click trading. Then I came up with some solutions to the problem that I was having. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Richchild terminal. To those guys who are actually in the VIP group, you'll get this tool for free for you to use. Okay, and also if you want to get this tool for free without paying the subscription fee, there is a way, and I will actually tell you at the end of this video. So if you watch this video till the end, you will actually have a way to actually get this tool for free. All right, so guys, here is the terminal, the version 8. There's the version 5. Version 8 has got some other things that were added on it, and I'm going to explain each and every aspect on it so that you know exactly how to use it. Okay, so this video also, if you're somebody who is just gotten this tool and you're wondering how to use it, this video is for you. Okay, so right, we are here. Let's open the BTC market via market watch. Let's open the BTC. Okay, it seems like it's not here on the market watch, so let's search it here. BTC USD. All right, so now I've got BTC USD. We're going to open the chart for BTC USD. All right, and then close the market watch, view navigator. Then we're going to take the terminal, put it onto BTC USD. All right. Okay. I think I need to capture also this window so that you can see it. Okay, so here is the settings window. Okay, all right, so on the settings window, guys, we're going to enter our settings. Right, you can see here the first setting is right the Richchild terminal, and the lot size there is 0.1. so lot size is the lot size that you want to use per every single trade that you want to open. Okay, so take for instance you want to open 10 0.1 trades, so you put 0.1 as your lot size. Okay, so here it's 0.1. so there are two modes here. One mode is called normal mode, the other one is called brutal mode. The normal mode, when this tool is in normal mode, it will open only one trade, right? But if it's in brutal mode, it will open a lot of trades. So I know a lot of traders that like to opening a lot of trades instead of opening one big trade with one big lot size. So it depends on your trading style. Okay, So if you say brutal, it will open multiple trades of 0.1. But if you say normal, it will combine all the lot sizes and then put it into one big lot size. Okay, so I like to work with brutal, right? So position factor, it means that that's the factor that is used for your positioning. Take for instance, I'll give you an example. You can see that my balance here, if you go on top here, the balance here is 10,000 rands. So I want to open a 0.1 lot size per every 1,000. Okay, so if I put a 1,000 here, it means that for every 1,000 that is in my balance, right? So you can see my balance is 10,000. So per every 1,000 in my balance, it's going to open a 0.1 lot size. So here, which means it's going to open 10 0.1 trades. Okay, 10 0.1 trades, which are going to amount to a lot size of 1. So if this was in normal, it's not going to open 10 0.1 trades, but rather it's just going to open one lot size, which is it's going to add up all the lots and then it just open one big lot size. Okay, if it's normal. But if it's in brutal, it opens all those trades in a split way. Okay, all right guys, so we come here, then maximum number of positions. This helps you to make sure that you don't over leverage your account. So even though here we can say open for every 1,000 in my account, open 0.1, you can limit here the number of trades. So here it's supposed to open 10 trades, but you can say, okay, I want a max of 5 trades. So even though here it can open 10 trades, you have limited the trades to 5 only. Okay, so you can limit your maximum number of trades here. Okay, so if you want your maximum to be 10, then you can put 10. So which means even if you make profit and then your balance go bigger, you won't be opening more than 10 trades. Okay, take for instance here, you double your account, now it's on 20,000. If parameters are still like this, it means it's going to open 20 trades instead of 10. But if there's a limit here of 10, it will always open 10 trades. Okay, so that's it. So here you can see that this is the trade entry section here, where you can actually show the system how you want to enter the trades. All right, so let's go to first entry. This is the biggest update that was made for version 8, which is called first entry. I'm going to explain to you what first entry means. So for now, let me click on OK. All right, then I'm going to explain to you what first entry actually means. Okay, so let's remove this. I have enough space here, so we're going to I'm going to narrow this. Let's go to 5 minutes. Okay, since we are scalping most of the time, go to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so I want you to realize that if we are using the order block method, you realize that this was a nice order block here, and you can see that the market did react to our order block. All right, the market did react to our order block, but it didn't react nicely because it came and hit our order block, then it went down and it came back again against us. Right, the market came back again against us and it actually went past our order block, but it didn't continue to go up. It actually started going down again like that. Okay, so given these circumstances and given these scenarios, if you enter all of your trades right here, okay, let me see here. Okay, so if you enter all of your trades right here, right, it's going to, okay, let me set object horizontal align, and let me make it a little bit thicker so that you can see it. Okay, so you see this red line here is where the opening of the order block is. So if you're to enter all of your trades here, you realize that you're gonna experience this drawdown here. And sometimes if you over risk, this drawdown here can actually take you out, right? This drawdown here can actually, you know, blow you up. Okay, so instead of doing that, we are going to, you know, enter our trades in what is called a phased entry. A phased entry is that we don't enter our position at once, but we enter our positions in phases. Okay, so the phased entries will be like this. We first enter here, and then we'll enter the market when it's here, and we enter the market when it's there. If we want, we can also enter the market when it's there. All right, so when you do this now, you realize that you won't experience drawdown on your big position, but you only experience drawdown in the positions that you have put here, which of course the one that you put on top here, it's only going to experience a little bit of drawdown. So you're not going to have a lot of negatives in your balance. Okay, so what you do, let's go to the settings now and check the settings. So if we come to the settings here, you realize that if first entry is at true, okay, first entry is at true, phase 1 percentage, it means when you click a buy button, when you click the buy button, or when you click the sell button, in this case here, it's going to open 10% of your trades. So here, remember, we're opening maximum number of positions, 10. Okay, so it's going to open 10 trades. Okay, sorry, not 10, it's going to open 10% rather. Please, apologies for that. It's going to open 10% of 10, which is going to be one trade. So it's going to open only one position here of 0.1. Then there is what is called, let me come here. You see where it says phase 2 entry factor. It means how many points do you want it to go against you so that you can enter phase 2. Okay, so if you can come here and measure here, you can see from here to here, you check how many points do you want to actually allow. Okay, so in this instance, you can see that it says if it goes against you 1000, okay, percent of the spread, right, 1000% of the spread, which means times 10 the spread, okay, is going to enter 20% of your position, which is another 2 trades. So it enter 1 trade, enter 2 trades here, then here to enter 30%, which is going to be 3 trades, and then lastly, which is your biggest, is going to be here 40%, 4 trades. So you realize that the one that is the biggest one is entered last, so that you maximize when the market now is coming to your direction, you'll be in profit. So you realize that when the market comes here to phase 2, you're already in profit. When it's going down here, you are in even deeper profits like that. Okay, so this is what we implemented on version 8, which is phased entry. You don't enter all your trades at once, but you enter in a phased way. Okay, so phase 1, it enters 10%. So these numbers can be adjusted. If you want to enter the big one first and then enter small ones later, it's also fine. So you can adjust the percentages here. So phase 1 percentage, which is percentage of your total trades. So you only place or press the buy button or the sell button once, then it's going to read by itself that, okay, when it reach 1000% of the trades, which means times 10 the spread, it's going to open another phase of trades. Okay, so you see it in practice. If you don't catch it now, you'll see it in practice. So minimum points for this is goes to 20. You just leave it there, it's fine. So stop loss is your stop loss. Whenever you press the buy or the sell button, it's going to be your stop loss value in points. We put this in points so that you don't get confused when you're trading things like Bitcoin, trading things like Nasdaq, and so forth. All right, so in points, 300 points, and I'll show you how you can measure your points for you to set your stop loss and your take profit nicely. Right, so take profit in points 900, you can put it there depending on how much you want the space between your take profit and your entry point is. Trailing stop loss you can put there. Okay, I'll show you also we added a trailing stop loss button. The trailing stop loss button helps you to just do a click and trail your stop loss nicely. I'll show you that in practice as well. Unit mode here now is called equity protection. Remember guys, your stop loss could be very high and also your take profit could be very high, but now equity protection now give you the mindset whereby you can put your values here, the money that you are willing to accept as profit or the money that you're willing to accept as loss. So max accepted loss, this is the maximum amount that you accept. Take for instance on a 10,000 Rand account, I can say that I'm only accepting a 10% drawdown, and after that you can close everything. Okay, so which is like a 1,000 Rand, because here when it says cash amount is 1,000 Rand, 10%, or you can actually come to a percentage of equity and put 10%. Okay, I most likely want to use the cash amount so I know exactly how much amount am I risking. Okay, so if I put 10,000 here, it means, sorry, 1,000 here, it means that if loss goes to 1,000, it will cut off every trade. Right, target gains also is like your take profit. Okay, so if your profit goes to, let's say 10,000, which means I double the account, close everything and take profit. All right, so regardless whether the take profit is hit or not, when your profit that is on running profit goes to 10,000, you actually close all trades. Then break even buffer points. Remember guys, we've got a break even, this break even button. This break even button, when you click it, it will take all trades and put them on the entry point so that you don't lose anything. All right, but however, we can actually offset it so that it doesn't go exactly on the entry point. It can go a little bit forward or a little bit down on a sell, right? So that at least you make something, right, instead of you just coming out without anything. So break even buffer points is an offset of the break even so that it goes a little bit on top. Okay, so we can put here 10, right, so that at least when it hits our break even, we have got 10 points that we would have made. Okay, so lock percentage profit, this is the button that you use to lock percentage of the running profit. So if you want to lock 80%, it means your stop loss will move to secure 80% of your gains. Okay, close percentage positions, this is used to, if you want to partially close your positions, say here 50%, it means I'm going to close half of my trades right now. If I click on close 50% as well, it's going to close half of the trades that are remaining, and so on and so on. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to put the values nicely here. Since it's Bitcoin, I'm going to try and measure here how Bitcoin really likely moves so that I put my values nicely. Okay, So a trade like this, you can see that from here to here it's already about 1,500 points. Okay, so let me just say 2,000 points is a good stop loss for this. Okay, so if I want to make all of this, about 8,000 is a good take profit. So I'm gonna come here and say my take profit is 8,000, stop loss points is 2,000. Okay, so my first entries are going to come here, then I'm gonna put 100, 200%, sorry, 200%, 200% on everything. I'm gonna leave the first entry just like that. I'll provide a PDF, guys, if you want to know exactly, or if you want to go through these things. Okay, all right. Okay, guys. Okay, sure. Let's do that. Cash amount that I'm willing to lose, I'm gonna put it at 2,000, just to be a little bit, flexibility right there. Then the total number of positions to 10, and I'm gonna reduce this to 500 so that I can enter nicely. Sorry, 500, not 5,000. Okay, so you can definitely save your set here. Let me say BTC set so that I can use it later if I want to use that particular set. Okay, then I'm gonna click on OK. So look, guys, here it's gonna be where trades are gonna be placed, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay, so I turned on my algo trading. Let me just make sure that also algo trading is activated on the EA itself. Right, so the EA is blue, which means it's ready to trade. So what I'm gonna do is first entry is on, so that's fine. Let's close that. First entry is on. I'm going to delete all of these things. Then I'm gonna assume, guys, that here, let's say we are gonna buy. Okay, so I'm gonna place a buy entry. I'm gonna click on buy. So you see it placed only one trade here because it is the 1% that we talked about. So if it goes 200% against us, it's going to open other 2 trades. All right. Okay, let's see. I think here, because there's too much spread because of the weekend, the trades can be closed very, very fast. So we're going to set our stop loss into let's say 8,000, and our profit at 20,000. Weekend is not always a good time to trade because of the spread, but this will definitely work. Okay, we're gonna put 100% of the trade so that you can see this thing working in. Okay, so let's place a buy. It opened one trade. Okay, it opened one trade, and let's wait till it goes against us. Okay, so remember, guys, first entry is activated, so which means that you just have to wait. You just have to watch and see. As the market goes down, it's going to be opening trades for you. So if you don't have patience to be waiting, right, this bot does the waiting for you. So you just wait. It opens trades in phases so that you don't open your trades too early, risking you of blowing your account. Okay, so let's wait. If the market is not moving nicely there, or if it's not moving too much, it might not go against you, against us, the correct or the enough amounts of points that we need to open phase 2 or phase 3. So let's see. Okay, so the market is going against us. So here we set the if you can see here, we set the first two entry, we set it at 100%. So it means if the market goes against us just with the space of 100% of our spread, it's going to open phase 2, which is another 2 trades that are going to be placed right here at the bottom, which are buy trades. Okay, so the market is not moving very fast. So if things are like this, you can always, leave your computer turned on. You can leave your internet also, the computer turned on and connected to the internet, and then you can do whatever you want to do. You know that the EA is going to open the trades for you whilst you're gone. Okay, so it seems like the market is just playing around there. Okay. Phased entry, it requires patience, right? You need to be very, very patient. It requires very, very good amount of patience. So that's why a lot of people blow their accounts, because they enter the trades too early, right? So for you to avoid entering a trade too early, you enter just a little bit exactly where you think the market is going to turn, and when it does a little bit of drawdown, you'll be entering more trades. Some people, they call it layering of trades, right? So you'll be like layering the trades that are going against you to your direction, and then you'll be actually entering the trades. Okay, so here guys, you can see that the market is just playing around. So I'm sure we'll find another time where the market is moving fast and you can see the demonstration of the first entry. Okay, so for now I'm going to close all the trades by just clicking on the close all button. Even if there were 100 trades here, if I click the close all button, it will close everything. One feature that is very, very useful when you're doing scalping. Okay, so right there, we're going to turn off the first entry. Let's come back here, let's turn it off and do the normal entry. So we just clicked on force and then we click OK. So now if we place a buy, it will open our 10 trades. Okay, so you opened our 10 trades right there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you other features here, like break even and so forth. Okay. All right, so you can see guys, 10 trades are opened and they are buying. All right, what we're just waiting for is for us to go into profit, and then we can click break even, or we can close some trades. Take for instance right now, you think that your risk is a little bit too high and you want to close some trades, you can click on close 50% of the trades. It will close 5 of those trades like that, right? You can see that you close 5 trades rapidly there. Okay, I think if you want to enter more trades here, you can click on buy again, and then it will enter 10 trades again. Okay, so the market is not moving nicely. I think it would be nice for me to demonstrate to you this during the opening sessions of the New York or the London session, just to show you exactly what you can do to scalp the markets very quickly. Okay, but here I'm just demonstrating to you the functions of the EA. Okay, so as you can see, the market is going down, right? And still feel like this market maybe will go up. There's no analysis that we've done here. We're just demonstrating the tools. Okay, so if we still believe that the market is still gonna go up, we can even add more buys here. Remember guys, our acceptable loss is set hardly at 2,000 rand. So which means if it reaches 2,000 rand in loss, we're definitely going to close everything here. Okay, so we're still within our risk management. We know that no matter what, the market is still going to give us, or is still going to take away from us what we told us, what it told it to take away from us. Okay, so guys, look, the market now is going our direction, right? So as you can see that we've got some blues coming up, right? So in a market that is really volatile, you would see that you could have gone into profit very fast here, since you can see that here there's a zone that was hit. The market is to go up. So as you can see guys, this is the benefits of doing phased entry, right? So we first entered here, and then we entered here again, and then we entered here again. So you can see that some trades right now are in profit because we entered them later. So that's what you can do to protect yourself from entering trades too early, right? If you want to do that automatically, you can just switch on the first entry feature, or you can do it manually by just entering the trades in phase by yourself. Okay, so as you can see, some trades, the trades that we opened first are in loss, but the trades that we opened later, right there, they're in profit. That's the benefit of doing phased entry, right? Not entering your trades at once. You enter your trades bit by bit. So as you can see, we are going into profit. We are actually in profit. If the market was moving nicely here, or if it was moving in a more volatile way, we could be, you know, covering all these losses, and we could be in a position to put our break even. Okay, so I just wanted to go into a bit of profit so that we can demonstrate to you how break even works. Okay, so this is a one-click trading system, guys. You click once, and then, you know, the actions are performed. Okay, so we're right there. market is not too volatile this weekend, so you can see it's not moving very fast. Which is rather annoying, but it's fine. So okay, our market is going up. I think for now we can set break even on okay, it's fine. It went down again. Okay, let's wait. Just want to show you the break even button, how it works. Pity now that the market is not moving very fast. There's nothing that we can do for the market to move very fast. There's nothing at all, but let's just see if it can give us that. If it can't, then we'll definitely do this on a Monday on an opening session where we'll be trading a live account. Okay guys, as you can see, the trades that we entered later are in profit. Trade that we entered first are in about 30 rand each in loss. Then the market just went down there. Okay, when it's an opening session or like a trading session that's just normal at the middle of the week, you see that the market will be going very fast. That's why you need a tool like this, so that you can just do one click trade. So the market is too slow, guys. I don't think I'll be wasting much of my time waiting for this, but let's reschedule and do another live tomorrow on the opening session of the London opening session, guys. Then we can see how we can utilize this tool in real time on a market that is very volatile and moving nicely. Okay, so guys, with that being said, thank you guys for coming to this live. And also I opened a new I cannot say a new group, it is actually a new institution, guys, where you can trade with us live. Okay, so you can see I'm live on YouTube. I'll be trading like this live on Zoom with people who are VIP. All right, so we will analyze the market together. We will be chatting in that Zoom meeting, and I'll be also showing you my screen. Everything that I'll be doing on my account, I'll be showing you. Okay, so if you want to replicate exactly the things that I'm doing live, you can subscribe. It only costs about $50 a month, and I'm telling you that if you're a serious trader, $50 is something that you can make in 5 minutes. So the subscription is there. It's gonna give you access to those live sessions where you can trade with me live. I'll show you everything that I'm doing live, and I'll even show you the accounts, even the inside of my accounts with my broker, to show you exactly how I manage my funds. All right, then at the same time, guys, I'm also going to give you tools like this Richchild terminal for free, so that you can also trade the way I do, because I use this tool daily. If I'm trading, I'm always using this tool to trade. Okay, the other thing is you're also gonna get the robot that is in beta mode right now. That robot, guys, is fire. It's called the Panda robot. You get it for free as well for you to use, as long as you are still our partner or still our member. Okay, the other thing that you get there is the advanced course, where I'll show you how to analyze the market, so that even if I'm not doing a live trading session, you can still be doing your analysis by yourself. And also it can help you because when we'll be in the live session, it's not only I'll be preaching to you, but we will be doing our analysis together. Okay, so if you know the strategies, you'll be in a position to understand why we are selling or why we are buying. And if you know that, I'm sure you'll become an independent, profitable trader. Maybe you just need the subscription maybe for 6 months or 1 year, and then you become your own independent, successful trader by utilizing the things that you have learned on our live trading sessions. Because I realized that there are courses out there where people teach you how to trade, but the problem is that when they teach you how to trade, you only watch the videos where they are trading, or the videos that they are teaching you that this is candlesticks, this is how you analyze the market, order blocks, and so forth, right? So sometimes it's very, very easy for people to learn as an apprentice. Okay, so here guys, you're just being an apprentice, just being by my side whilst I'm doing my trading. You can also be opening your own trading. If I'm buying, maybe you can choose to buy, or if I'm selling, you can choose to sell. And also you can be using exactly the tools that I use. So we'll be on a live call. You can ask whatever you want to ask in the live session. We'll be just people trading in a room, but not a physical room, but an online room together. Okay, where guys will be sharing our ideas, and I'll be leading you guys into profits. Guys, I'm a person who takes accounts that are like 500 rand to about 70,000 in a day. I do this by utilizing the tools that I use and also the knowledge that I have of the markets. So it doesn't matter if you're coming in to the live with a 1,000 rand account, or you're coming with a 5,000 rand account, right? You will be able to copy exactly what I'm doing and match the results that I'm also doing. Okay, so guys, I encourage you guys to actually take this opportunity very seriously, because this is something that I'm going to put 100% of my energy in. And daily guys, I'm going to have these meetings with you. I'm also going to send you signals. I'm going to give you robots, guys. I'm not sure if I should disclose exactly how the Panda system will work, but the Panda system will actually help those people who cannot trade live with me to actually trade the trades that I did make. Okay, so the Panda system will copy the trades that I do, right? And then it will trade on your account. But more on that on a video that is dedicated for the Panda robot, guys. But all the same, guys, I wish you very, very good luck in your trading, and also I wish you a profitable week. Catch me again also, guys, tonight at 9 o'clock. Those who are in my VIP group, the link has already been sent for Zoom. We are going to have a Zoom session where we're going to do an overview of the markets, our potential buys or potential sells on all the instruments that we're interested in. So we're gonna do that on a private Zoom call. Okay, if you want to be part of that, you are welcome. Go to vesta.finance and you can actually use cryptocurrencies to pay for your subscription. We are still working on putting card payment on it so that people who want to use card payment can use card payment. Okay, so this is an initiative that I put in place, guys, so that we both benefit from the activities that we'll be doing, since I'll be putting 100% of my time in helping you guys achieve your dreams. So guys, with that being said, me, David Richchild, I'm out. See here, it's a little bit of profit. You can click on close all to close all the trades rapidly and bank your profit. Okay, so this is the power of the Richchild terminal, guys. Tomorrow let's do a session where the market is very volatile, and we can get to see the Richchild terminal in action, doing its thing, taking profit, protecting your account, opening trades, killing the broker, basically. So guys, with that being said, Richchild, I'm out. See you next time, guys. Thank you for watching.